Welcome to War India News Hour. India's venture debt market surged to USD 1.23 billion in 2024. This marks a significant CAGR of 58% since 2018, far outpacing the global average of 14%. This reflects growing confidence in India's startup ecosystem. Before we deep dive into it, let us take a look at today's headlines. Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal announces dedicated helpline for startups. At the Startup Mahakumbh 2025 event, Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal announced a new helpline for startups to report corrupt officials and bribe-related complaints. Startups can also use the helpline to share feedback on regulatory reforms. He further revealed that a significant portion of the INR 10,000 crore funds or funds for startups will be allocated to the deep tech sector. This move aims to mobilize patient capital to support research-driven startups working in emerging fields like artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and robotics. Deloitte, hardest hit consultancy firm by Elon Musk-led DOGE. Deloitte, one of the big four companies, has reportedly been the hardest hit consultancy firm following the crackdown by billionaire Elon Musk's Department of Government Efficiency on private federal contracts. Since January this year, DOGE has either terminated or modified 127 federal contracts with Deloitte, leading to an estimated USD 371.8 million in taxpayer savings. A big blow for the firm, Deloitte reportedly faces more than double the number of contract eliminations. UK PM to declare end of globalization era following Trump's hard-hitting tariffs. Following US President Donald Trump's hardline tariffs and America First measures, British Prime Minister Keir Starmer is reportedly all set to declare an end of the era of globalization. Starmer will address the nation today and declare that globalization, which started after the fall of the Soviet Union in 1991, has failed millions of voters as Trump's 10% baseline tariffs that hit the UK on April 2 pushed the global markets into shadows of uncertainty. Buffett denies social media posts backing Trump's recent policy decisions. Warren Buffett has denied social media posts after President Donald Trump shared a fan video that claimed the president is tanking the stock market on purpose with the endorsement of the legendary investor. Trump on Friday shared a bizarre social media video that defends his recent policy decisions. The video's narrator then falsely states that this is why Warren Buffett said that Trump is making the best economic move he's seen in over 50 years. Shreya Ghoshal cautions fans against Twitter ads using her AI-generated pictures. Bollywood singer Shreya Ghoshal revealed last month that her ex had been hacked and she was trying her best to regain control. On Sunday, she informed fans that she had finally regained control of the account but warned fans against AI-generated ads using her name and likeness on the platform. Shreya had posted a video expressing happiness at regaining her account while also warning fans against clicking on the X ads. Welcome back. The total number of venture debt deals also hit a record 238 in 2024, which meant a sharp rise from just 56 in 2018. Despite a modest 2.5% year-on-year growth from USD 1.2 billion in 2023, the long-term trend remains strong, supported by a 20% rebound in venture capital activity, which reached USD 12 billion in the same year. Venture debt, a form of private credit for high-growth startups, is becoming a mainstream financing tool. The report shows 39% of market participants expect continued robust growth, indicating that venture debt is moving from niche to a more established asset class in India. Positive exit trends also boost confidence, with India's venture exit rising 1.7% to USD 6.6 billion in 2023, largely from public market sales. Startups backed by venture debt also raised strong follow-on equity, averaging USD 81.2 million in 2024. Sector-wise, Fintech led in deal value with USD 447 million across 49 deals, while the consumer sector led in volume with 81 deals worth USD 295 million. Cleantech followed with USD 202 million across 22 deals. Key use cases for venture debt include working capital 52%, growth financing which stands at 44%, and runway extensions 43%. Regionally, Bangalore topped the chart with USD 485.5 million in funding, followed by Mumbai and Delhi NCR. Globally, the venture debt market grew to USD 83.4 million in 2024, with mature markets like the US and Europe allocating 20 to 30% of venture funding to debt, suggesting strong growth potential for India ahead. At this thought, we sign off for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to One India magazine. For more news and updates, you can download the One India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Stay tuned. Thank you.